One for your birthday.
I want to be healthy and fly to Bubble.
To Bubble?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna fly?
To Bubble.
Where is Bubble?
In Philippines.
What else? What else do you want? Aside from good health and to fly to
Let's
Philippines?
stay.
No, not Gishing. So,
To try to get to make my body much faster so I can play with Jolie. Keep us good health.
yeah.
Finish.
Yeah? We got for Francine pa.
LOL big doll.
You take the tag na the
Yeah,
price.
I know. And then this one, I don't know.
Vanessa wants to play with
small,
that spiel.
small one. No?
Hair goals. LOL ni siya guys.
Then I
Tanan.
was thinking, since she knows the time already, or not the time.
No,
but,
not the time.
She knows the numbers. I was thinking.
Should teach
getting
her
a
about the
watch.
time. Yeah.
Nice one. We have another one that Mama found.
Another LOL.
Surprise stuff. I don't know.
Another
So much.
LOL. And this is more interesting here.
Yeah, that
This
is
is more.
skates.
This is skating shoe.
Inliner shoes.
We got
Oh,
this.
das sind das mit den Vierrädern.
So.
Der ist auch 4 Räder, ist auch Inliner.
So. Oh, you're in falsch. So. We got this one. Oh, it's too big for her? You can adjust it, no? You said.
Yeah, you can adjust it a bit.
I just hope she can do
You
that.
can, I don't know, you need to press that here. I think this is the
I'll show you now. I'll show you now, guys, because I think sa bukas sa birthday niya, she will not have a chance to show it. So yung aming irarap para sa birthday niya bukas.
Do you push this
Zuzu.
to go on?
Haggard.
Nobody wants to see you.
Mag-rap sa ako, mag-rap.
They all just watch because they want to see Francine.
And I think this video will be up 1 month later or 2 months later. At least nag-video filming para sa, yan ba, parang diary. 5th birthday ni Francine. Time flies, no? When I start the vlog, Francine is only 2 months or 3 months. 3 months
Have a
old.
situation.
Ay, ni Pakong, no? Yeah. Shabdas ikaw, Paw Patrol because of Francis. So, gawa tayo ng tuti bag, guys. You don't look. Okay, meron ako mga coloring
Like, Bro,
books.
ich kenne das schon alles. Ich habe sogar alles ausgesucht.
Oh, yeah.
Sogar das ist meins.
Ah, this is yours. Wala, may manganhe. So, nagtuti bag. Aba.
Diese 2 Leute.
Yapila na ako ang dagko.
Mandala,
Dagko.
ich wusste nicht, was
Yapila na
das
lang na ako ang dagko. Eh, kay mga gahi. Manig mga. Apil food sila. Tapos, meron tayong pa colors tomorrow, guys. I-ano ko lang to siya.
Wow!
That's a sticker.
Die Hefte.
Tangtango na ko siya. Then, pakuluro na ko sila. Para na sila activity ugma. And then, what else do we have here?
Mandala.
There's this one. Euro lang yan siya, oh. Ano? Para siyang bastel set. Saan ang bastel set sa Deutsch, day?
Ha?
Saan ang bastel set? Para na sila activity ba? Yan, oh. Art set. Ibutang ni mo siya sa...
Das ist mein Schuld. Jinzo hat sogar gesagt,
sa
ja, das passt.
tangan ni mo mata, butangan ni mo og kuan, ilong.
Robot.
So, oh, unicorn. Para na sila activity ugma. Di lang sila mag-board diri guys.
No, nung ba?
And then,
Tumya.
meron tayong papinyata. Gawa tayo ng pinyata. Gubot kay among balay. Pasensya. Papinyata. Then, lagyan natin ng candy sa loob and so on. Para bukas, guys.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi kami pupunta ng ano. Normal kasi dito yung ano. Ang birthday nila dito. Baliktad man din akong paghawid. Gawa tayo ng pinyata, sabi. So, ayan na guys. Tapos na ang ating mga gifts. Nakagawa na ako ng loot bag. Lagyan ko lang siya ng name kasi yung iba niyan. Ano katisiyan? From Francis Paw Patrol ang nilagay ko sa loob. Tapos LOL yung sa mga girls. Yan. Tapos meron ang laman nitong aming loot bag is pa-thank you lang to guys. And since dito sa Germany guys, ang mga bata, inaano nila talaga sa mga sweets at junk food. So, ang nilagay ko is a coloring book. Ang nilagay ko is coloring book. At yan siya, sa sulod. Saan man iba? Coloring book ang nilagay ko sa loot bag nila guys. Ayan. May iba-iba siyang dyan, coloring book. Tapos nilagyan ko ng LOL na biscuit. Yan ito, nakapack siya. Kasi ang birthday ni Francine is LOL theme. So, gusto niya kasi LOL. Ayan, LOL mini biscuits. Tapos, naglagay lang ako ng isang bubbles ng ganito. Ayan lang. Hindi ba? Pang paano lang ba? And then, small lang guys. And then, meron tayong papinyata. Pinyata. Ang laman yan guys is ang iba pang from carnival pa na candy. And then, lagyan ko din siya ng biscuit sa loob. Ayan lang. Ang laman din yan. Walang masyadong So, then mga gifts natin. Ano siya? Pakita ko sa inyo guys ang tiya ni Frank.
Yes,
His bow. I show you 5 months pregnant.
Where?
He don't breathe now. He gonna die soon. So, i-open natin to. May dumating tayong box. Pakit! Agay, naghawin ko good thing. Yeah. Kasi dito sa liog. Uy, if my...
I didn't even touch you. Did you see me touching her? I didn't. I caressed her. Look what effort she is doing.
Trauma wegen dir.
Yeah.
If my neck will kaput, I cannot bake a cake for your doctor.
So we just cut it.
Mach den Erdbeerkuchen da. Wir haben Erdbeeren.
It's
Kann euch diese
So, kwanto siya, not related sa birthday. Pero cover to siya sa pool guys kasi yung pool namin ginawa.
It's off subject, but we have partner look.
hat sie gesagt.
Oh yeah.
Spaß, nein.
Du hast gesagt?
Is it dope?
Nein.
So,
What's that? What did you-
unboxing.
the cover.
Oh, gitanggalan niya, gi-return
Ey,
ko
das
ni
ist genau von
kay
diesem
Look
Pool.
sa Amazon.
Yeah, they already
Cover.
returned that because it was warm.
Yeah. So, kung wrong tukmal, boy, so may una
It's heavy, no?
cover sa pool guys.
Smaller than the bottom, of course. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
Warum sieht die Box so hässlich aus?
Weil es hässlich ist. Somebody
Aber
already
gerade gesagt
returned this.
gehabt, ey, was ist das?
The business hore.
Echt?
Nö, ich hab nicht zugehört.
The business concentrate in the closet. So,
Danke.
ito na-open ko na to siya. Ito related to sa birthday. Na-open ko na siya.
Wow!
Chinek ko, excited ko. Gicheck yun lang kung sakto.
Yeah, you're
Mga
more
ba-
excited than she is.
Mga balloons sa LOLs.
LOLs.
I will not open here. We'll show you that late tomorrow.
Surprise.
I think we have so many banners now ba?
How are we going to do this with the balloons without her knowing that?
Und danach?
You're going to do that tonight, so tomorrow morning she's going to wake up, she's going to see it, or you're going to do it tomorrow?
I was thinking to put, do we have so many of these banners?
Wir müssen
We can
Spielplatz
put
gehen.
here, then
5
all the
Stunden
balloons, and
Spielplatz
tomorrow
bleiben.
morning she help us decorating the garden then. We cannot do anything, it's her birthday.
Nein, wir können rausgehen mit Frank nach Hangla.
Ang dami ko ng ganito,
Yeah,
may
we can
nabili
do
din
that.
akong,
Und 5 Stunden,
Tomorrow is
5 Stunden
Saturday.
kommt er dann wieder.
Wann ist da?
so, ang balloons sa, LOL. Dami ng banner, nakabili din kami dyan sa, nung pag-uwi namin ng Philippines. And then, cake topper. Meron tayong cake topper na,
Oh, dieser Kuchen ist so schön.
Ano guys, ano ba yan? Yung makakain ba? Ang sa'y tawag ay ano niya eh. Sa'y tawag ano niya guys? Itong makaon mo ba? Edible! Edible!
Edible.
Dili edible na oil ha? Edible. You can eat that.
Papier.
Papier daw. And then, another cake topper. Cake topper. Kani siya acrylic. Gi-order lang na ako kay, sabi na ako nindot kayo. Pero, nindot yapon siya. So, di jud kayo siya yung na wow. Wow effect. Ang balloons tayo dito na yung butang.
Na lol
Kaya
effect.
baho kayong kuan, chemicals.
Lapat na.
Chemicals. So, LOL yung tem natin bukas.
Team.
Bakit? Ito yung mga decors natin, guys. For tomorrow. Pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung iba. Nagkabalintuwang naman ni Diri, eh. Kani ba, napalit na ako namo ni sa Philippines. Sa Isilim ni siya, guys.
Das ist schön.
Ano? This is Deutsch. Hä?
Das sieht viel schöner aus als das andere.
Just do here in Germany, then?
Zeig.
I think this is Germany.
Das ist meine.
Yeah, pero wala na gamit kay wala man dito siya kay bisita ato. So, just
Ja, das da ist viel
started.
schöner als das.
LOL banner o unsa
Klamotten
ni
sind
siya?
schön.
Pang ani ba? Pang bitay-bitay.
Sogar Eisskate-Mädchen.
And
Ich
then
mag ihre Klamotten.
mga nabili ko sa Philippines na ipakita natin.
Yan,
Sa Philippines ni sa Isilim sa Cagayan de Oro. Nung umuwi kami, bumili si kami ng madaming ano. Akani dito ra din. And then man tong laing LOL ani eh. LOL. LOL sa ano ni sa Philippines. Yan. Kani sa Philippines po ni sa Isilim, di ko kalimutan ni Boros kung fancy ga kailangan nagkakuan-kuan. Ayan, then OL na mga paper plate from Philippines. This is from Philippines. Di nagamit. Nagamit ang hasang dagarang OL Philippines paper plate man dai dire ay.
Die sind viel schöner.
So, bukas i-decorate na mo ni siya, guys. Ugma.
Was ist das die?
Guys,
Da?
das auch Banner. Ich habe gesagt, so viel Banner. Ich denke, wir können machen
Mama,
the
warum
Banner.
ist das so
Können wir bei
schön?
Vanessas Geburtstag auch machen.
Banner machen. Ja, du kannst auch machen das.
Die sind voll schön.
So, ayan lang muna. Mag-continue sa ako. Kaya para di kayo taso editon. Harvest kong cherry.
Guck mal, die Johannisbeeren ist auf dem.
Namunga na? Johannisbeeren?
Ja, die sind
Oh, daghan kayo diri. Oh, come here. Daghan kayo. So feel. Maglibog taon sa kadaghan. No? Maglibog ka guys. Sa kadaghan guys, maglibog ka. Unsay unahon ni mong harvest.
Oh my god, it's so shiny.
Cherry. Unsa ni? Na cherry day? Ay, gikaunag bird ata ni oh. Ato na ni hatag bili na.
Some fire cherries.
Utang na ato dira sa ubos kay kaug kuan. Mura man pud yung bunga. Then napay isa diri oh. Oh. So, ako cherry.
Die sind so clean.
Ada ang isa gikuan pud og gikaunag bird. Kan ligdas in the cake. For the torta decoration. Ano lang nakoy 1 2 3 4 5 6 cherries. Oh, ang Bernie oh. Grabe, amazing gini akong garden diri eh. Oh. Ano akong film na kuan oh. Oh. Bernie, padaghanan sana. Then come here for my garden. Aha. Halak ka. Oh, daghan kayo. Johannisbeer. Oh. Was?
Beeren.
Saan mo na yung mga dere? Kalabasa?
Nein, das ist Ding.
Was ist-
Grapes.
Das ist grapes.
Ja. Das muss in ein Stück, damit die Ding gehen.
Aber ni unsa man pag last year wala may grapes dere.
Weil das noch nicht gut ist.
Okay. Si Mos kuan. Tangan ni mag stick.
Es gibt kein
Pakatay
Stick.
dira sa kuan no? Sa tree.
Wir klauen den.
Dayon. Oh, kailangan nato na limpyuhan. So kung may ni kuan, then kani siya, unsa ni tawag ani?
Feigen.
Paigong. Wala pa siya namunga guys.
eine.
Wo?
Wo? Ah, da.
Isa Turkish kuan. So, ihatag na ko ni sa akong kauban pag mamunga na tanan. Feigen.
Feigen.
What is this?
Feigen.
Feigen. So, Turkish food. And then, sa kasagbutan. Manglimpyo bitaw kog pool. Let's Thank you for watching. Matic video. We should. A cinematic. Smile.
Can you look at me?
You gotta look at Papa. You look
Hey,
in
look
the
at
camera.
that face I want. That face I want. You're really natural looking. Not like smile. No? It's just like you're normal. Why don't I get that in this photo here?
Mama, what is that sound from you? It's
Yeah, we're making. What is this?
Muffins.
Chocolate muffins for tomorrow. Baby, all you need to do is that here. Because I have no brown, I'm hungry.
So, but you don't see it. See that? You just fix something there, and that's enough. That's the end of it. It's gonna explode.
Yes, aufpassen din. Yung mit din siya lang. Doesn't show, no? Because it's pink.
Same color.
Wow. Just do. Okay, it's like this. Ich würde sagen, das, no?